In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix duplicated income transactions in QuickBooks Online. Duplicate income can really throw off your reports and make it look like you earned more than you actually did. That can affect everything from your profit and loss statements to your tax planning, so it's important to clean it up as soon as you notice it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple and safe way to remove those extra entries directly from your books in QuickBooks Online. First, from your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look to the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several options there. Click on Accounting. This is where all of your accounts live, and it's where QuickBooks keeps the detailed registers for each bank, credit card, and income account. Once you're in the Accounting section, you'll land on the Chart of Accounts. If it doesn't open automatically, select Chart of Accounts from the options at the top. This list is the backbone of your bookkeeping. It shows every account you use to track money coming in and going out of your business. Next, you need to locate the account that contains the duplicated income transactions. For example, this might be your main checking account, a savings account, or a specific income account if you're tracking sales that way. Use the search bar or scroll through the list until you find the correct account. When you've found it, move over to the right-hand side under the Action column and click View Register. This opens the detailed transaction register for that account. Now you'll see a list of the individual transactions going in and out. Carefully review this list and find the income transaction that appears more than once. Take your time here and make sure you're identifying a true duplicate, not just two similar payments that are both valid. Once you're confident it's a duplicate, look at the row for that transaction and click the Delete link. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm that you want to delete this transaction. This is a safeguard so you don't remove something by mistake. When you're sure you've selected the duplicated income and not the original, click Yes to confirm. The duplicate will be removed from the register, and your balances and reports will update accordingly. Repeat this process for any other duplicated income transactions you find. Once you're done, your accounts should reflect accurate income totals, and your financial reports will be much more reliable.